If you own a Tesla and are looking to sell it soon, the news we will share today might mean that today is the right moment to sell. Today, we're diving into the latest Tesla news, covering updates to automatic emergency braking, the discontinuation of the Model S and Model X in certain markets, new Powerwall programs, and of course, what this all means for Tesla vehicle owners. So let's get into it. This is exciting, but first things first, make sure you give this video a like and do subscribe to Tesla Stock News. First up, Tesla is making improvements to one of their best autopilot safety features, automatic emergency braking. While this feature is already standard in many cars and helps prevent accidents, Tesla is taking it even further. In software version 2023-12, the update includes a distance detection feature that works not only in front of the car, but also in reverse, helping to reduce the impact of frontal and reverse collisions. This is a big change that most Tesla owners will appreciate. It's worth noting that the feature is always enabled when starting the car but can be disabled in the controls menu if needed. Moving on to Australia, Tesla has discontinued sales of the Model S and Model X in the country. Prospective buyers can no longer place orders for these cars, and the design studio is no longer operational. Right-hand drive models are still being sold in the UK, but there haven't been any deliveries of the refreshed models to Australia since the end of 2020. Also, let's talk about the Cybertruck. During Tesla's Q1 2023 earnings call, Elon Musk confirmed that the Cybertruck is still on track to begin production later this year at Giga, Texas. We also got a glimpse of some new photos of the pilot line tooling and winter testing. Musk stated that they plan to have a Cybertruck delivery event around September of this year. It's exciting to see the progress on this highly anticipated vehicle, and we can't wait to see it hit the road. These updates show that Tesla is always working to improve their vehicles and features. Whether it's updates to safety features or new vehicle models, Tesla continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in the automotive industry. Exciting news has also surfaced recently with sightings of a new Tesla vehicle near Fremont. New photos of the vehicle were taken from different angles, shedding light on some of its unique features. The massive windshield wiper is a permanent fixture that stands out, and a bystander can be seen admiring the impressive size of the truck. Contrary to rumors that Tesla may have changed the car's dimensions close to production, it's highly unlikely given the company's reputation for maintaining consistency. In other Tesla news, the company's inventory has been increasing in recent months, which may pose a challenge. Tesla tries to adjust pricing to match production rates, but it's not always a perfect science. Recently, the company has been accused of starting a price war by making significant price cuts. Despite this, Tesla's inventory reached an all-time high in the US, with 15 days' worth of inventory reported at the end of the last quarter. However, it's worth noting that this trend may not be indicative of the entire situation. Tesla may be deploying more inventory in the US during a short period ahead of switching production to other markets. Moreover, the data set is limited to the past 6 months, and the changes may look more drastic than they are in reality. Despite this, the price cuts seem to be working for the Model Y, with inventory cut in half to 300 units following the last 2 price cuts. It makes sense that many people were hesitant to purchase the car until the base price went below $47,000. On the other hand, Tesla may need to consider another price cut for its other vehicles, especially the Model X, given the inventory growth. Tesla has been employing various strategies to boost sales of their Model S and X vehicles. One significant move was lowering their price to an unprecedented low of $85,995 and $95,000 respectively. However, they have now implemented a different technique by raising the price by $2,500 while offering 3 years of free supercharging to new buyers. Furthermore, customers who trade in older Model S or X vehicles with free unlimited supercharging will receive 6 years of free unlimited supercharging. Among the two models, it seems Tesla is particularly focused on selling the Model X. However, with the Model Y offering a similar range and functionality at a price point nearly $45,000 less, customers may lean toward the more affordable option. Interestingly, Tesla has made a noteworthy change to the Model Y pricing. While they haven't reduced the base price, they have lowered the price of the 7-seater option by $1,000. Previously, this upgrade cost an additional $4,000, but now it's only $3,000 extra. Although the Model E's 7 seats cannot match the spaciousness of the Model X, this price adjustment could entice customers to choose the Model Y instead. Unlike traditional automakers with dealerships, Tesla needs to sell its inventory directly, so lowering prices seems to be an effective tactic, particularly for the Model Y. Additionally, this price adjustment may impact the value of current Tesla owners' vehicles if they're considering selling them. When Tesla reduces prices for new vehicles, it also lowers the value of used ones. If you're on the verge of selling your Tesla, this is something worth considering. Furthermore, Tesla has made an important announcement regarding their Powerwall pilot project in Germany. Many communities are striving to adapt their electric grids to stabilize them and maximize the potential of solar energy. Home battery storage units like the Tesla Powerwall offer a simple solution. They allow solar systems to store excess energy during the day and enable homeowners to sell the energy back to the grid when the sun sets. Tesla has partnered with one of Germany's largest electric companies, Transnet, to launch a pilot virtual power plant. The virtual power plant comprises Powerwalls owned by Tesla customers who come together to provide power to the grid. While the number of Powerwalls involved in the project remains undisclosed, Tesla announced the successful launch of the pilot project in Germany. As more homes adopt solar and power storage solutions, virtual power plants like this one are becoming increasingly popular. The Powerwall is one of the most popular power storage products, which is why Tesla is leading the pack in virtual power plant projects. California's virtual power plant has also recently reached a new energy capacity milestone, contributing 577 megawatt-hours to the grid in the last year. That's enough energy to power more than 3,400 homes with excess solar energy. With the growth of virtual power plants, the grid should become more stable and greener, making it a win-win for everyone. In addition to its work on virtual power plants, California has made impressive strides toward its goal of having 1.5 million zero-emission vehicles on the road by 2025. Back in 2012, when the goal was set, there were only a few thousand EVs in California, and the Nissan Leaf was the only fully electric vehicle for sale. However, California's governor signed an executive order to push the adoption of EVs in the state, and the Tesla Model S arrived later that year. Today, the state has achieved its goal 2 years early, with over 1.5 million EV sales reported by the California Energy Commission. However, it seems the rest of the nation is finally catching up. In 2022, electric vehicles comprised a mere 5.6% of total sales in the U.S. Yet, a glance at the chart before us reveals an awe-inspiring exponential growth in the number of EVs being sold. This shift towards sustainable transportation is truly remarkable and highlights the growing demand for electric vehicles across the globe. That pretty much sums up the totality of this video. If you liked it, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Tesla Stock News. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest Tesla developments and insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.